No, we about to make some breakfast food. I was thinking last night. I have all this Greek yogurt, and I remember as a child loving peanut butter and jelly. Let's see if we can come up with a great concept with that. Okay, so we've already added some Greek yogurt, and we're going to use some silk milk, or you can use regular milk. I don't think I have enough silk milk to do the job, but we're going to see what we can get. And we're going to add some strawberry spread, or strawberry jelly, whatever you want to call it. Doesn't really matter. And then lastly, finish off the rest of this peanut butter. All right, so we got that added. We do a pre-mix. And because we want this to be more of a frosty, we can also turn this into our ice cream really quick. Look at that good. Look at that goodness. Oh, geez Louise. Oh. Add a little bit of ice to this. This is going to cause the mixture to freeze over a little bit. Look at that. Now, as it is right now, this could be literally oh, good God Almighty. This is the taste of the peanut butter and jelly blended in. Oh, gosh. I'm going to add some protein to this. Greek yogurt has lots of protein in it, so we're just going to add another scoop of extra protein just to thicken it up a little bit more. And then we're going to mix this up and later put it in the freezer and see if we can turn this into an ice cream. It's still Oh yes. Now we have the much more creamier texture. This is like almost like a milkshake. Not quite as thick as one, but it has that peanut butter back end with that mild taste of jelly in it. And the protein shake, I can't even taste it all. Absolutely delicious. I'm going to freeze this up a little bit and see if we get even better results. I'll be back. Let's see what this tastes like. I'm going to let this thing freeze all day. Oops. Oh, this is rock hard. Let's see what this tastes like. That is really good. I had it earlier as a smoothie, but now I'm having it frozen. And it tastes the same, except for now it's frozen. Pretty good.